So here's the breakdown of what you can expect here over the next 48 hours. Tonight, that's when that cold air really sinks in. Breezy, dry, with those temperatures that will continue to fall. Dangerously low wind chills, and I'll show you what I mean by that, close to zero. Sunday, most of the day is dry. It's going to be cold, it's going to be breezy, and Sunday evening, afternoon, evening is when we start talking about that spotty, freezing rain or freezing drizzle, and then transitioning to a sleet mixture. Sunday night into Monday, that's when coverage is going to expand. So to answer your question, no, we're not going to see any moisture tonight. We're just going to feel those temperatures really take a dive. And talking about the moisture, winter weather advisories are in place ahead of that from noon Sunday to noon Monday. Where you see the pink there, far northeast, North Texas, that's a winter storm warning in effect from noon Sunday until 6 p.m. Monday. Right now, like I mentioned, clear out there. And we showed you those temperatures at the beginning of the hour, already in freezing territory. But here's the timeline of the freezing, drizzle, sleet, and even some snow. I'm starting the clock here Saturday, 7 p.m. Dry overnight. We'll see cloud cover move in tomorrow morning, but it'll stay dry. Tomorrow, the Sunday at noon, still dry, just cloud cover. I'm going to take you to 5 in the afternoon now. You can see some of that snow kind of moving through across areas of the Red River and north, with some little spotty freezing drizzle, mainly south of Interstate 20. Coverage will be very low tomorrow afternoon and evening, 20–30%. As we get closer to about 7, that's when it goes up to about 40% coverage here. This is Sunday around 7 p.m. Now I'm going to take you through overnight. This is Sunday 9. We start to see a bit more of that activity, mainly south of the Metroplex. Could even see a flurry across our northern counties. But look at what happens between 10 and 4 in the morning on Monday. We start to see a bit better coverage of this freezing drizzle and sleet. Now, this is not going to be the case for everyone. Areas to the northwest of the Metroplex likely going to see more of a flurry, and it'll be a little drier there. So a lot of this stuff will have a hard time reaching the ground. This is Monday around 8. You see a lot of it kind of shift towards east of the Metroplex area south as well. This is Monday at 8, and through the morning on Monday it starts to dry out, and then we're left with cloud cover. So in total accumulation, it's not a lot. It's less than 1/10 of an inch, and most of us will see half of that, if that. Higher totals towards the southeast, and this is for ice, but when you're talking about the sleet and maybe even snow accumulation, overall less than 1 inch. Keep in mind, that's both. That's not one or the other. That's just both. But the higher totals will be closer towards Bonham and Paris, with 1 to 2 likely. That's all precip. Again, Sunday night through Monday. Let's talk cold weather. Wind chill advisory tonight for -5 to 0 wind chills. This is what the wind chill tomorrow morning will look like. It'll feel like 1 degree in Fort Worth and in Dallas, sub-zero for our Red River counties, and a hard freeze warning also in place, including Denton, Wise County, and this is for the potential of temperatures dipping to about 10–12 degrees. Tomorrow morning will be at 13 degrees to start the day. Again, most of the day will be dry. Tomorrow afternoon, we're looking at highs in the mid-20s. We are staying with freezing temperatures at least through Wednesday. The good news is that winter precip, it doesn't last all that long, but impacts for travel, you know, it doesn't take a lot, and that'll likely happen Monday morning.